lovelies, welcome to Fleur and Bee's Beauty in Pajamas. If this is your first time here, then welcome. If this is not your first time here, then hey mom, talking about your favorite ingredient today, that magical elixir, coconut oil.
Yes, that's exactly right. We're so excited to be talking about coconut oil. It has amazing, incredible benefits that we're gonna share with you. We're also gonna share how it's made, how you use it, and what skin types it's good for.
All right, let's go ahead and start off with the 10 incredible benefits of coconut oil. Number 1, it hydrates. Coconut oil is made up of medium chain fatty acids that help to reduce dryness and they allow your skin to retain moisture.
2, it provides a protective barrier for your skin.
3, it helps to improve your skin's texture.
4, it helps to minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles.
5, it helps to reduce or calm any appearance of temporary redness.
6, it has incredible antioxidant benefits that help to fight those environmental stressors that cause common signs of aging.
7, it absorbs super easily.
8, it's a great base for an exfoliant.
9, it helps to soothe irritated skin.
And 10, huh? It smells amazing, like tropical paradise. Like you smell it and you're like, I'm on vacation.
So now that we've talked about all the wonderful benefits of using coconut oil, we want to talk to you about where it comes from and what it is. Coconut oil is actually from the white part inside of a coconut. If you want to have virgin or extra virgin coconut oil, it's from a fresh coconut. If you want refined coconut oil, then it is most likely from a dried coconut.
The process of creating virgin coconut oil involves pressing the fruit with either heat or no heat. Expeller pressed coconut oil uses heat, while cold pressed coconut oil uses none, which actually allows it to retain more of its nutrients, making it better for use in skincare.
Now let's talk about how to use coconut oil, because at a room temperature, it's actually a solid. So it needs to be a little bit more warmed up in order for it to turn into a liquid. So you can go ahead and take a little bit of the coconut oil. I actually keep like a little jar of it in my cabinet in my bathroom, and you just take it in your hands and kind of rub it around. And so it warms it up and turns it more into a liquid. Once you get it like that, you can use it on your face as a moisturizer and cleanser or a makeup remover.
To use it as a cleanser, it's actually very simple. You just take some coconut oil, melt it in your hands like this, and then massage onto your face. Let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Then continue on with the rest of your routine.
It's basically the same process for a makeup remover, or if you want to do it a little differently, you can take a little bit and put it on like a cotton ball or a cotton pad and just gently rub your eye area.
And finally, to use it as a moisturizer, you just cleanse your face, use any serums or toners that you normally use, and then massage the coconut oil onto your face at the very end of your routine, and voila, luxury.
Now, I know what you guys are probably thinking, and it's, well, I heard that coconut oil is actually not good for your skin, so why are Jenna and Caitlin telling me to use it? Well, okay, we get where you're coming from, and coconut oil may not be the best for every single skin type, and that's because it's comedogenic, which means that it can clog your pores. So if you have combination or oily skin, you actually might want to steer clear of pure coconut oil. However, if it is in a lower concentration in a product, you shouldn't have those issues, but as always, test out the product and just make sure that it works for your skin.
And as far as the other skin types go, it's great for sensitive skin because it has really soothing properties. It's also great for dry skin because it's incredibly hydrating. I have dry skin, and there have definitely been times where I've taken just pure coconut oil and put it on my face just to kind of give it some extra moisture. It's also great for mature skin because it can help to minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and it gives your skin an overall more youthful and healthy glow over time.
All right, we hope that you enjoyed learning everything about coconut oil and that you're as excited about it as we are. If you want to learn more information about this or any other skincare tips, then you can head to our website, fleurandbee.com. If you see anything that you like there, you can also use code YouTube at checkout for 25% off. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
It came up the straw.
To look beautiful.
To retain moisture.
It has some incredible
Sorry, that was so loud, Manny. I apologize.
to press. Oh no, it doesn't. Virgin. Almost it off.
Learn any more information about these. I should probably start that over because I'm a stumbling little baby bee. Scene 1, take 3. Ooh, no, it's okay. Unexpected.